Hey guys, today I am working on cleaning up some brick that we've exposed from behind some plaster walls. As you can see, so we've been tearing this plaster down in an old building and we have been left with a lot of like residue, white, some of it I'm not sure if it's efflorescence that I've read about, but some of it is pretty chunky mortar. And you can't really see the depth of that, but today I'm working on scraping some of that off. So the tools that I've been using, so I've been dampening it with vinegar and water mixture, just using a sponge. You could probably use like a rag or a brush or whatever. So I'm dampening it with that and then using like a regular putty knife, just scraping the heck out of it until it's as smooth as I can get it. And then I've also been using a wire brush, which has been pretty handy to get those bricks as smooth as I can. So here are a couple examples of what I have just worked on. So they look nice and red, and then after they dry, they're turning back kind of white. So again, I don't know if that's efflorescence. These are the ones that are dry that I've done previously. If you guys know, let me know. Comment down below and help me out. But I did order a product this week that I'm waiting on to receive so I can try it out. It's called OneRestore by Eaco Chem, I think. I had seen it on someone else's video, so maybe I'll follow up with you guys and see how it works out. So I just got done with my first wall, smoothing it all off from the plaster. So here is what it looks like. The bottom down here is still wet. When it dries, it'll probably look kind of white like the top. So that is after doing the scraping and brushing, cleaning. Next step, I think, seal it. Compared to this wall here, has not had any cleaning or scraping or anything. Still a very rough texture. A lot of work ahead of us. Lots of brick. So that's how I'm working on trying to restore this interior brick wall. I'll try and keep you updated on my journey.